Hi guys, good evening. Can you hear me? Yeah. Yeah, good evening guys. Can you hear me? Yeah, this is Nageswar Rao. Yeah, this is Nageswar Rao speaking here.
Yeah, we can hear you. Good
Hear
evening.
me? Yes. If anyone unable to hear me, if anyone unable to hear me, yes, please rejoin into session. Just rejoin. Rejoin into session. Simple solution rejoining. If anyone unable to hear me, just rejoin. Yes, if anyone unable to hear me, just rejoin into session. Anyone unable to hear me, rejoin into session. Yeah, let us start. Yes, last class. Day 2. See, day 1, all the introductions discussed. Yes, about introduction, course contents, just only course details discussed. Yes, next day 2, second day. So yesterday, second day, yes, Java started. Second day, Java started. Yes, I can rejoin into session. Sai Kiran. Yes, he has left. Okay. So day 2. So yesterday Java started. Java. What is Java? What is Java history? Okay, why Java has this much of popularity and all that about Java discussed. So what is Java? Java is an OOP language. OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. Yes, Java. Initial versions of Java. Initial features of Java. JDK 1.0 with these features in the year 1996. 1996. These are initial features. So later, yes, different editions. Totally 4 editions. Totally 4 editions. About these editions we discussed here. Out of this, only using first 2, using only Java Standard Edition and Java Enterprise Edition. Only these 2 are in use. These 2 not in use. These 2 not in use here. Java, it's a Java technology means our course. Now we learning Java Standard Edition means core Java code. Next, Enterprise Edition, it's application development. Yes, this kind of applications, all framework. Yes, in Enterprise Edition, all frameworks like Advanced Java frameworks and all this comes under Enterprise Edition. Yes, 90% of internet-based applications developed using Enterprise Edition. So this is for internet-based applications. This framework, there are different frameworks. About all the frameworks yesterday discussed here. What's a framework? Yes, about framework discussed here. Framework is ready-made one. Okay, what is framework? Framework is ready-made one. It contains all predefined classes. So we can use predefined classes and plug-in projects, develop the projects. Yes, without writing code. Without writing code here, predefined classes available. Framework, all predefined classes available. Yes, we can take all predefined classes, plug in, and we can develop the project here. Okay. Yes, advantage of framework. We can reduce the code. Using framework, we can reduce the code, time of project reducing here, and cost of project also reducing. There are advantages. So this is yesterday we discussed. Yes, yesterday complete Java overview discussed. What is exactly Java? Java different editions. Next, what are the frameworks under the complete Java overview discussed. Java already discussed. Yes, today let us start with Java features. Today this topic, about this topic, Java features, day 3. Okay, so day 3. Yes. Now let us start Java features. 1 second. See, till now, last 2 classes, nothing discussed. Last 2 classes, all the introductions were discussed. Today we are starting actual topic. Today we are entering into actual topic. See, these are the Java features. 1 second. Let me mute everyone. Yes, 1 second. Still, if anyone unable to hear me, please rejoin the session. Still, anyone unable to hear me, just rejoin. Still, anyone unable to hear me, rejoin in the session. Rejoin. Still, anyone, please rejoin. Yes, now let us start. JDK 1.0 released with below features like independent of platform, portability, whoop language, scalability, and security. Yes, what are these things? Let us see about all of these things here. 1 second. To understand all these features, some basics required. Yes, you must have some basics knowledge like operating system, about OS knowledge, about OS operating system. Next about interpreter. Yes, about interpreter and compiler. There's some basics. Okay. Yes. So some operating system knowledge. Yes. See, to understand all the Java features. To understand all the Java features. To understand all the Java features. Some basics like about OS, about interpreter, about compiler. Next about exe file, about exe file, about dot class file. Okay. Next about low level languages and high level languages. There's some basics. See, before going to start Java, yes, first of all, you must have this knowledge, basics. So I'm starting with basics. Now topic is starting with basics here. So before Java, there are some basics. Before going to Java, there are some basics. If we know about these kind of basics, then easy to understand Java. So before going to Java, let us say about some basics. See, yes. Now starting from basics. See, first introduction to software, system software, application software. Next about OS, front and back end. There are some basics. Low level language, high level languages. Okay. Next, interpreter and compiler. After finishing, next goes to going to Java. So before going to Java, there are some basics. They are very, very important here. Basics. Okay, so I'm starting from basics here. Yes, your course now. I'm starting basics. See, without any IT background, starting my classes and getting minimum 3 to 4 years of experience. Without any IT background, starting my Java classes, by the time of finishing course, minimum 3 to 4 years of experience you can put up. Yes, 3 months of course, minimum 3 to 4 years of experience you can put up. That level I'll train you. I'm starting with basics. Non-IT background guys also can understand here without any programming knowledge. without any C language. You can understand very clearly. Okay. So today topic starting basics. Okay. See, from the very scratch, I'm starting from very scratch. Yes, computer where. See, computer where basically two categories. First one hardware. First one hardware, next one software. Hardware and software. Hardware and software. What is hardware? Hardware, these are physical components of a computer. Hardware, physical components of a computer. Physical components like keyboard, mouse, monitor, and all that hardware components. Yes, we can touch all the hardware components. But this is not our part. We are the software engineers. We are the software. So let us start with software. Now I'm starting software. See, from the scratch started topic. Software. What is a software? See, what is a software? What is software? See, in software, yes, everything is a program. In software, everything is a program. Everything is a program. Yes, it is a collection. It's a collection of programs. It's a collection of programs. It's a collection of programs. It's a software. What is software means? It's a collection of programs. Collection of programs like C, C++, Java, Python, all programs. In software, everything is a program. It's a collection of programs. It's a collection of programs. Okay. Yes, yes, software, basically two categories. Software, yes, basically two categories. Two categories. Software, basically two categories. Software, basically two categories. First one, system software. System software. Second one, application software. Application software. System software, next application software. Yes, what is system software? Yes, anyone idea about system software? What is the system software? Anyone idea about system software? What is system software? What's a system software? Yeah, of course, I'll explain. What is system software? System software, yes, it interacts with hardware components. It interacts with hardware components. Interacts with hardware components. System software, it interacts with hardware components. System software, it interacts with hardware components. Okay. Yes, example, system software examples. Examples, operating systems. Operating systems and device drivers. And device drivers. Operating systems and device drivers comes on system software. OS can interact with the hardware components. Device drivers also interacting with the hardware components. See, device drivers are part of OS. So device drivers are part of OS. Okay. So these can interact with the hardware components. System software, it interacts with the hardware components. Next, application software. So what is application software? See, application software, yeah, this is for the purpose of application development. Yes, for the purpose of application, for the purpose of application development, for the purpose of application development, for the purpose of application development. Application software, application for the purpose of application development. Applications, apps, the apps. In our daily life, we are using many applications, right? Yes, in our daily life, using many applications. Can you tell me some applications, examples? Yes, in our daily life, using many applications. Can you tell me some applications? Yes, what is mostly used application in your mobile? What is mostly used application in your mobile?
WhatsApp.
Your WhatsApp. Okay. Yes, you guys see, if you are unable to speak, you can ping in chat box. Here chat box available. In chat box, you can share your answer or your any doubts are there. You can use that chat box. Chat box available. Yes, in chat box, you can share your answer. Suppose any questions are there, you can ask in chat box. I'll check the chat box always. Okay. I'll check the chat box. Yes, I'm looking at the chat box also while explanation here. Yes, not any class. Yes, I'll observe chat box also. Okay, any queries are there, any questions are there, any doubts, you can ping in chat box. I'll respond immediately. Okay. Yes, even your answers also you can ping in chat box, or else you can speak. Okay. Yes. So here mostly used application is WhatsApp. Say WhatsApp. WhatsApp, right? WhatsApp. Yes, next to Facebook, next Twitter. So these are, yes, some user applications like Flipkart for online shopping. Okay, next Amazon online services, like some online trading applications, online trading apps. Okay, next banking applications, banking apps. Okay, like there are different kind of applications. See these applications, how to develop this kind of applications? Many worldwide, many internet-based applications are there. Like go to training, go to meeting, Zoom app, banking applications. Okay, yes, like this, many applications are there. How to develop this kind of applications? For this application software, developing this kind of applications, that internet-based applications. To develop this kind of applications, we need some software. That software is application software. So application software for the purpose of application development, this kind of applications. See, for example, here in software, many technologies we are using, right? Like some language we are using, languages, some tools we are using, and some packages. Like this, different kind of things are using. See, application software. Best example, Java. Java is application software. Java is a mostly used application software. Java is a mostly used application software. Next, C and C++ also application software. Next, Python application software. Yes, even .NET also application software. Okay, Hadoop also application software. Next, even databases also application software. Like this, many things. These all are application softwares. Like this, many things here. Like many languages, many tools, many packages. All these are application softwares. Languages like Java, C, C++, Python, Perl scripting. Like there are HTML, many languages. Next, tools like data warehousing tools. Next, testing tools. Next, reporting tools. And next, big data tools, Hadoop tools. Like this. Packages like ERP packages, Oracle ERP, SAP ERP. Next, Tally accounting package. Like this, all the packages. Okay, like many things we are using, right? Yes, in software, more than 100 technologies are there currently. Software, more than 100 technologies. Many technologies we are using. So, which is exactly application software? So, which is exactly application software? See, software which is interacting with hardware. Interacting with hardware is a system software, except that all are application softwares. See, only operating system, yes, only OS can interact with hardware components, others cannot. Only OS. That means only OS is system software. So that except OS, see, except operating systems, all are application softwares, except OS, all are application softwares. See, except OS, all are comes under application software. See, OS like Windows OS, next Linux OS, like Unix OS, like Mac OS, Yes, solar is like this. We have different operations. See, except who is all our application software. Except operations, all our application software. 1 second. Yes, today started from the scratch. Yes, about class notes. Yes, about our class notes. See, this is today topic. This document for you only. This document for you only. So running notes is not necessary. I'll share this document. Yes, I'll share your Gmail ID. This document for you only. Yeah, this document for you only. Okay, so this document for you only. Yes, 1 second. See this document for you only here. Yes, 1 second. Last 2 classes. Yes, shared in the WhatsApp group. Last 2 classes. Day 1, day 2. The class document shared and recording also shared. Okay, from the WhatsApp, yes, it's not easy to watch. Download, better download. From the WhatsApp may not be playing here. Just download into your system, then watch it here. Okay. See, tomorrow class also, after finishing today's class also, I'll share in the WhatsApp. Tomorrow, I'll give the drive access. Tomorrow, Saturday, I'll give the drive access. After finishing today's class, yes, I'll give drive access tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, drive access. Okay. Yes. Core Java. Yes, this is your batch. See, last 2 classes, sessions shared. Okay. Yes, last 2 sessions, session 1, session 2, recordings shared here. Next, your day 1, day 2, that also shared here. Today topic also, I'll share in the WhatsApp. Tomorrow, I'll give the drive level access. In drive, all are available. Yes, in drive, all are available. In Google Drive, all are available. Like your class document, videos, and all this available in Google Drive. So tomorrow, I'll give the drive access. Today classes also, I'll share in the WhatsApp. Okay. See here, say daily communication. For daily communication purpose, I'm using WhatsApp. If still anyone is there to share your details, share here. This is my WhatsApp number. Please take it. Yes, 8179181012 is my WhatsApp number. Yes, just share your name and your WhatsApp course you are attending here. Next, WhatsApp time you are attending here. WhatsApp time attending. Next, what's your Gmail ID? Share these details and add to group. I think someone already shared today. Yes, these guys shared. Yeah, these guys shared details. Now I'll add to group. Yeah, these guys. Yes, I shared their details. Yes, I'll add to that group. Okay, I'll add it. Yes, sir. Yes, today I went to office unexpectedly. Yes, I went to office. That's the reason I could not add to this group here. Just today night, I'll add to group. Still, anyone share your details, share here. I'll add to group. Take your own time. So whenever you're free, share these details. Yes, night or tomorrow morning, anytime, whenever you're free, share this. Okay, share these details to my WhatsApp. I'll add to group. This is my number. Yes, this information share to that number. Yes, I'll add to group. Okay. Yeah. So every information will be shared in the group daily, up to date information in the WhatsApp. That's communication purpose I'm using. Okay. Yes. Next, this complete document. See, this complete document you can see in Drive. In Drive, this complete document is available. In Drive, this complete document, all recordings also available. 1 second. See, for your batch Drive. Yes, this is a drive created for your batch. Yes. Yes. Today, after finishing class, yes, I'll use the drive access. See, this is MN course. Here all the documents. 1 second. JDK someone removed. Just a minute. Just a minute. JDK, Eclipse, and all this. So this is material drive here, software. Okay. Yeah, no worry, Akhileshwari, no worry. So take your own time, no problem. I'm not a commercial, no worry. Okay. Yes. Yeah, this is your documents drive and all this here. Next. Yes. Daily videos. Yeah, this is your videos drive. Daily videos. This is last two classes. Video 7 drive. Yes, I'll give the drive level access like sharing to your Gmail ID. I'll give you drive access like this. Tomorrow I'll provide this access. After finishing today's class, tomorrow I'll provide drive access. So on recordings drive, I'll share this drive here. Next, I'll share these documents. There are two drives. One is for documents, one is for documents, one is for recordings. Record these two drives, I'll give the access. These two drives you can access every day. Every day, daily classes recordings from the drive you can access. Yes, even documentation also from this. Okay. Now today class, I'll share in the WhatsApp. Today documents. Okay. Yes, today documents. One second. Today's class 6:45. Yes, today's documents and today's recordings I'll share in the group here. From tomorrow, you'll get the drive level access. From tomorrow, drive level access. Okay, fine. Let us continue. Yes, today topic. Let us continue topic. Yes. Yes, one second. Yeah. Started with basics, very scratch. Yes, started from very scratch here. Yes, computer aware, hardware and software. Hardware not necessary for us. Software. Yes, in software, everything is a program. It's a collection of programs. Software basically two categories: system software, application software. System software, it interacts with hardware components. System software, it interacts with hardware components. Example, OS and device drivers. See, application software, for the purpose of application development, their applications. This kind of applications. To develop this kind of applications, we can use application software. Examples, application softwares like language, tools, packages, like many things are there. See, except OS, except operating systems, all are application softwares. See, Windows OS, Linux OS, Unix OS, Mac OS, Solaris, all are operating systems. Except these things, all are application softwares. One second. Same thing I have prepared in documents. See, guys, running notes is not necessary. Is not necessary. Just you follow the document. Just you follow documents here. Just you follow documents here. See, today topic. Software is a collection of programs. C, C++, Java, Python, HTML like this. Software basically two categories: system software, application software. System software, it interacts with the hardware components. Examples, application software, for the purpose of application development. Examples. Okay. See, except operating systems, all are applications. See that notes. Yes, all you can see in document here. So running notes is not necessary. You guys don't worry. Don't worry about running notes. Just you can follow document here. So what are the topics I'm explaining? All the topics you can see in document here. Every topic. Yes, even one line also not missing. Even single line also not missing. Nothing missing. Everything you can see in the document here. This document for you only. This 600-page document for you only here. I'll share with you just to follow this document for daily notes, for daily class. Okay, right? Yes, first try to watch the class, try to understand clearly. Yes, you guys don't write any notes. No, don't write any notes. Try to understand classes here. Try to understand the classes. After finishing class, watch the recording also again. Again and again, watch the recording here. Yes, watch it here. Next, go through the document. Yes, it's clear. So in class itself, I'll explain 2 to 3 times. Every topic 2 to 3 times, I will explain the class here. Next, after watch videos also. 1 or 2 times, just watch it here. Next, finally, you can see document also. Documents, class topic, and videos. Finally, getting very clearly. That's it here. Okay, yes. Now let us continue. Let us continue. Now here, yes. Now let us start with OS. What is operating system? About OS. About OS. What is operating system? Yes, operating systems. Yes, some question for you guys. Some question. Can we run any program without OS? Can we run any program without OS? Tell me guys, what's your answer? What's your idea? Can we run any program without OS? Maybe C program or Java program or C++ without OS? Without OS, can we run any programs? Can we run, sorry. Can we run any program without OS? Can we run any program without OS? No, no, no. If no OS, no computer. Without OS, no computer. If no OS, no computer. Without OS, we can't do anything. Compulsory OS required. Compulsory OS required. So without OS, you can't do anything here. See, in system, can they say bias, except bias, except bias, except bias to run all programs, except bias, except bias to run all programs OS requires, OS requires, OS requires, except bias to run all programs OS requires. Bias, what is bias? Anyone idea what is bias? Except bias to run all programs OS required. Bias stands for what? What is bias? What is bias? Bias. Bias stands for basic input, and output system. Basic input output system. Bias stands for basic input output system. What is bias exactly here? What is exactly bias? Bias is a hardware program. It's a hardware program. It's not a software. It's a hardware program. Okay. Yes, it is a chip level program. It's a chip level. It's a chip level program. It's a chip level program. It's a chip level program. See, bias in your system. There's a bias. See, in computer, there's a bias. Bias image. See, bias image. See, this is a bias. Bias chip. This contains bias program. It's a bias program. Yes, what's the purpose of this bias? What's the purpose of bias program? Anyone idea? Bias. Bias is a hardware program. It's a chip level program. What's the purpose? Bias what is task of bias here? What it will do? Yes, in computer bias, what it will do here? What it will do? See, bias is responsible. Bias is responsible to boot operating system. To boot operating system. Bias is responsible. Okay, so bias is responsible to boot OS here. Yes, what is booting here? What is booting? What is booting? Yes, booting is a Yes, booting is a process. Yes, booting is a process of loading. Process of loading OS from RAM memory, RAM memory, RAM memory to hard. Sorry, it's the reverse. So what is booting here? Booting is a process of loading OS from hard disk. Yes, hard disk to RAM memory, hard disk to RAM memory. That's it. It's a booting process. Okay, booting is a process of loading OS from hard disk to RAM memory. See, when you power on your system, first of all, power goes to BIOS program. See, BIOS is the first program in your computer. Okay, BIOS is a first program in your computer here. Yes, in computer, BIOS is the first program. Okay, so once you power on your system, first of all, power goes to BIOS. So first of all, power goes to that BIOS chip. In BIOS chip, they say BIOS program. That BIOS program loads. OS from hard disk to RAM memory. So once loaded into RAM memory, here system is ready. Now where this OS is running inside the RAM memory. Here OS is running inside the RAM memory. Now currently OS is running inside the RAM memory. Okay. Yes, BIOS program will load OS from hard disk to RAM memory. So once loaded, our system is ready. Yes. Now let us see about this OS. Okay. So when your system started, first one is BIOS starts. First BIOS starts, next OS. First BIOS starts, that loads the OS in the memory here. Now what is operating system? Yes, about OS. So what is operating system? About operating system. Let us see about operating system. So what is OS? About OS. Let us see about OS here. About OS. About OS. See, in computer there is a hardware, right? Hardware. On top of hardware, OS running operating system. On top of hardware, OS. See, on top of hardware OS, on top of OS, all programs running C program or C++ or Java or Python, okay, or maybe Hadoop or maybe databases, all are running on top of OS. All are running on top of OS. So these are what application software. These are all are application softwares. All are application softwares. Application softwares. It's application softwares. Okay, all application software is running on top of OS. Okay, see, OS interacting with hardware. So OS is a system software. On system software, application software running. See, software two categories: system software and application software. So OS is a system software. It's a system software. On top of OS, all are running their application software. That means except OS. See, except operating system, all are application software. So all are running on top of OS only. Maybe languages, maybe some tools, or maybe some packages. All are running on top of OS. On top of OS. So OS giving platform. Yes, it's giving platform to run all the programs. It's giving platform. So acting like a platform. On top of it, all are running. So what is OS? It's a platform. Simply OS means, yes, OS. What is OS? Yes, it is a platform. So what is OS? It's a platform. It's a platform. It's a platform. It's a platform. Yes, where we can run, all the applications of all the application softwares. All the application softwares. Yes, it's a platform. So OS is a platform. It's a platform. So OS, yes, it's a platform. So OS, it's a platform. It's a platform where we can run all the application software. See, what is OS means? Simple answer. It's a platform. What is OS means? It's a platform, acting like a platform. On top of it, all are running. Okay, right? Yes. See, not only platform here, not only platform. So for these programs generating some output data. These programs generating some output. So output of all the programs first of all delivered to OS. C program outputs or Java program or Python scripting all the programs, this output first of all delivered to OS. After delivering to OS here, next transfer to output device. Transfer to output device. Suppose reading from the keyboard, input data, input from the keyboard, keyboard data goes to OS and then transfer to our application software. So between application software and hardware, there is a OS. Okay, see application software, output of application software delivered to OS and then transferred to hardware components. So between application software and hardware, this is OS, like a mediator. Mediator between application. Okay, this application software cannot communicate with hardware. No direct communication. Okay, application software communicates with the hardware through the OS. That's it here. Yes, OS is like a mediator. So exactly you can say it's interface. Simply you can say it's an interface. Yes, it's an interface. Interface between yes, application software layer. This layer is an interface between application software layer and hardware components. These two layers and hardware components. So what is OS means? Simply our answer is it's a platform. OS is a platform. Okay, next is an interface between application software and hardware components. That's it here. Next, one more topic here. Yes, in Java perspective, some important points. In OS, there is a library. Library contains all input output functions. All input output functions. In OS, this library. That library contains all input output functions. Functions means C language functions. Library contains C language functions to perform IO operations. Input output operations between application software and hardware. See, OS using library, just OS utilizing library. So OS with the help of library, it will communicate between application software and hardware components. For communication means IO operations. For the purpose of IO operations here, OS utilizing this library. That library contains input output functions to communicate between application software and hardware components. In every OS there is a library here. Every OS there is a library here. So every OS has yes its own library to communicate between application software and hardware components Okay. Yes. Next, one more important point. Java perspective. See here. Yes, all these programs are communicating with the input output devices, right? How through the library. What happens here? These programs first of all links with OS library. After linking, then communicates with hardware. Yes, every program has to link. C program or Java program, Python scripting. Yes, all the programs first of all linking with OS library. After linking with OS library, communicates with the hardware components. It has to link compulsory. So every program has to link with OS library. OS library. Yes, before going to run. Remember the fourth point, very useful point for Java. For Java, very useful point this is. Every program has to link with OS library before going to run here. So first linking, next running here. It has to link compulsory. Suppose if it is C and C++, some statically linking. Java and Python dynamically linking. Statically and dynamically, the topic later we'll discuss. Static link and dynamic link later we'll discuss. Yeah, this is about OS. Okay. See, operating system, can we run any program without OS? No. Y is required compulsory except BIOS. Except BIOS to run all programs Y is required. So BIOS stands for basic input output system. Yes, it's a hardware program. It's a chip level program. So BIOS is responsible to boot operating system. So booting is a process of loading OS from hard disk to RAM memory. So once booting is done, your system is ready. It's ready with your OS. Now this OS is responsible to process any request. OS is responsible. Every request goes to OS only here. Every request. See, all are running on OS, on top of OS, maybe C program or C++, Java, Python. So all the applications running on top of OS. Okay, everything running on top of OS here. Okay, see. Now you see, go to training app, right? Go to training app. This is developed in Java. This app is running on top of OS. Okay, go to meeting, Zoom app, like this, all different kind of applications developed in different languages. All that running on top of OS only here. Platform, it's giving platform. So OS, it's a platform. Not only platform, interface also. Between application software and hardware, OS like a mediator, means like a interface, is an interface. Next, one more thing here. These are all the programs, first of all, linking with OS library to communicate with hardware components. Yes, it has to link. Remember this point here. Try to remember. Try to remember. Every program has to link with OS library before going to run. Otherwise, cannot run. It has to link. After linking with library, then communicates with hardware. Okay. See, once again. See, between application software and hardware, there is no direct communication. Don't have direct communication. No. Application software cannot interact with hardware directly. No direct communication. Okay. Application software with the help of OS library communicates with the hardware components. That's here. That OS library. So for that purpose, these all are linking with OS library. Okay. Every program. So every program has to link with OS library before going to run it here. Okay. It has to link. Every program has to link with OS library before going to run that. So this is about OS introduction. Enough. This is enough about OS. Okay. Yes. Next step. See, same thing. It's here in documents. See the notes, class notes. Nothing missing. Every statement, every line is there. Yes, about OS. All the 4 points are there. Next, this one. All are prepared in document here. So you guys don't worry about notes. All are available. Okay, very clearly prepared. So this is about OS. Enough. Now, software, system software, application software. What is Java? Yes, as per my explanation, what is Java? System software, application software. So what is Java? Yes, as per my explanation, as per topic, what is Java? System software, application software. Please try to answer this question. Yes, you guys can. You guys can speak, no issue. You guys can speak it. Yes, it's a application software. Java is a application software. Java is a application software. Now our topic is about application software. Now let us move to application software. See, application software. In application software, two categories: front end, back end. Front end, back end. Front end. Yes, these are interact with the end users. Front end. See here, this is front end. Here this is a form, right? Here this is a form. We are filling and submitting, right? Here this is called front end. So here front end taking data from us and storing to some location. That location is called as backend. Yeah, this is all is confirm. Yes, this all is collecting information, right? This is called as front end, interacting with users and collecting data, next storing into some location. That location is called backend. Backend is for data storage. Backend is for data storage. So backend. So backend. Yes, to store and maintain data. Example databases like Oracle database, MySQL database, the backends, files. Yes, in file also you can store some data. Next, Hadoop, HDFS to store big data, storing big data. So backends are for storing and maintaining data, storing and maintaining. So what is front end? So front end is interacting with users. Front end interacting with users. Okay, front end interacting with users. Front end interact with users and collects data from users, stores in the backend. So front end collecting data from users. Okay, fine. Now behind of this form is JSP program, is Java program running. It's a JSP page. This is developed in JSP. It is developed in JSP. It's a JSP page. Okay. Yes, behind of JSP. Yes, Java. Yes, behind of this form Java program running. JSP, Java. Yes, server pages. Yes, it's a Java program, Java. So behind of this form, Java taking our data means Java taking our data means Java interacting with us. So it's a front end. Java comes on the front end here. Java is a front end. Front end. Next, now come to front end. In front end, language and package. See, packages are ready-made and ready to use, like MS Office package. Yes, the package don't have any programming, no coding. No coding directly can use it here. Languages. Languages. In language, we should write the codes. Programmer has to write the code here. So what is Java? It's language. Java comes in languages. Now let us start languages. Yes, what's a language? Language. Yes, just it's a media of communication. Language is a media of communication between two persons or two animals or two trees, something like that. Yes, come to software. Software languages. Software languages. In software here, see computer understanding some language. Computer understandable language. Computer understandable language. Next one, we are understanding some different language. So user understandable, computer understandable, and user understandable languages. Okay, user understandable means like suppose C program. Yes, it's a user understandable language. Looking like English language, it's a user understandable C program, Java program, C++, Python. All the programs are user understandable. User understandable. Okay. So computer understandable and user understandable. So what is computer understandable language? Just tell me guys. User understandable is English. C program like English way, English language here. C, Java are like English language. Yes, what is computer understandable language? Yeah, binary code. Good. It's a binary code. Computer understandable language is binary code. Okay. See, computer understandable language. It depends. See, depends on generation of computers. Generation depends on generation of computers. Tell me guys, how many generation of computers? Yes, anyone idea? Yes, question. Yes, some question for one more question. How many generation of computers? Anyone idea? How many generation of computers? How many generations? How many generations? Computers. 5 generations. 5 generations. 5 generations. First generation. Yes, it's a vacuum tubes based. First generation. Second generation. Transistor based. Transistor based. Third generation is IC based, means integrated circuit based here. Fourth generation, yes, it's a processor based. Processor based. Yes, processor based. Now this is present generation. It's a present generation. Yes, present generation. Yes, fifth gen is a future. Feature generation. Tell me guys, what is feature generation computer? Now presently we are using processor based computer. What is feature computer? Feature computer. Yes, good. Dilip, good. You say AI based computer. AI based computer. Yes, it's a feature. AI based is feature. It's a feature. See, processor based. Yes, processor based computer understandable language is processor based. Now, present generation is processor based. Now it's understanding what's the language here. Processor based computer understandable language is binary code. Binary code. Binary code. It's a binary code. Binary code. Binary code is like a zeros ones format. A zeros ones format. It's a binary code. Now this is processor based. Yes, feature A based. So what is A based computer understandable language? Yes, A based computer understandable language. A based computer understandable language is what? Is anyone idea? What is A based computer understandable language? English. English. It works like a human being. English. It can understand our English. It can speak to you also. That is A based. It can understand our English. Suppose your home, A based home. Your home is A based home care. Everything can control automatically. See, open door, close door. That opens and closing automatically here. A based your home. A based home. Okay, power off, power on. Automatically happens. Yes, you says English. Okay, just English words. Automatic that will understand will power off, power on. Close and open doors. Okay. Next, washing machine on off. Okay, cooker on off. Okay, like this or everything automatically. Suppose automized. Yes, A based car. A based car. If it is A based car, it's a driverless car. A based car, driverless car. Okay. Yes, first once you define a route, as per route only that goes. Suppose in opposite direction anything comes will stop automatically. Will stop automatically. Yes, every car following that rules. Every vehicle following that rules. Automized rules. In that case, no accidents, pollution free world, all are happens automatically. Yes, that world. Yes, see that world. When that world will be coming. See 2025 starting A based computers. A based starting 2025. Yes, in 2 years, maybe expecting. Okay. Yes, 2030. Yes, success. Getting success in A based success. 2035. 2035. Yes, reaching to yes entire world. That is expected. Reaching the entire world. Entire world. That means by 2035, world is a based world. Means everything is happily. Yes, no accidents, no pollution. Okay, all our systems following, no corruption, no chance of corruption. Everything is transparency. Okay, everyone following rules, everyone following systems. Okay, yes. Suppose if not following any system, if you violating anything here, automatically get punished. That punishment will be there immediately. That is AI based system. Everyone has to follow rules. Okay. Yes, no issues in our life. Cool and happy life we will be spending. Okay. Yes. Yes. We are waiting for that life. That kind of life. That kind of life. Happy life. Happy life with no corruptions. Okay. Yes. Security for your hard work. Suppose yes, your money for your money security. for your hard work, for everything security here. Okay, no chance of corrupting here. So nothing here, no pollution, no accidents, and happy life. Okay, yes, even minimizing also these diseases with the help of AI. Okay, our body diseases. Okay, timely food and all this AI-based computer will maintain that system following everything is system. Suppose anyone violating system immediately get punishment. That is AI based. Okay. Yes, hoping. Yes, I'm hoping for that world. Okay. Very interesting that world. Just you watch. Yes, YouTube. In YouTube videos are there. AI based world. AI based computer world. Yes, that imagination. Okay. For imagination looking very nice. So really if you feel AI based world, very happy. Okay, right? Yeah. So this is about generation of computers here. Okay. Yes. So binary code, it's a system understandable language. This is called as low level language. Next, user understandable high level language. So in software, basically two languages. First one, yes, low level language. First one, low level languages. Second one, high level languages. High level languages. Low level and high level language. So what is low level language? Low level language, yes, it's a system understandable language. System is computer. It's a yes, it is a system understandable language. It's system understandable system understandable language. It's a system understandable language. Yes, it is in the form of binary code. It is in the form of binary code, like a zeros ones. Yes, it is called as machine language. It is called as machine language. It's a machine language. So this is low level language. Next, high level language. High level language. Yes, it's a user understandable language. High level language. It is a user understandable language. It's a user understandable language. Yes, it is like a English. It's like English. It's like English. Example, Java. Java is a high level language. C is a high level language. C++ high level language. Python. Yes, all these software languages are high level language. Python, HTML, like this. HTML, they're high level language. So which is first high level language? C language. C is a first high level language. Okay. So these are different languages. Yes, Krishna, right. C is a first high level language. C is a first high level language. C, high level language. So Java, C program, C++, all the high level language, right? This high level language to binary code. Yes, system cannot understand this C program or Java program. Every program has to convert into binary code. High level language to binary code. Who will convert it? Someone has to convert C program. Suppose C program looking like English language, right? This English language code has to convert into binary code. Suppose Java program, for example, Java code is like a English language. That English language has to convert into binary code. Who will do this? Which one will convert from high level language to binary code? Yes, for this compilers and interpreters. Compilers and interpreters. Compilers and interpreters. Compilers and interpreters. Compilers and interpreters convert from high level language to binary code. So next topic is about compilers and interpreters we should discuss. See today topic. How I'm introducing the Java introduction. See that. So start with basics software. Java comes on software. So software, system software, application software. Java is application software. Then move to application software. In application software, front end, back end. Java is a front end. So moving to front end. Front end language package. Java is language. Then move to languages. That's it here. Yes, in languages, low level language, high level language. Yes, to convert this, yes, compilers, interpreters to convert from high level language to binary code. Yes, interpreter and compiler, the differences. So this topic, yes, after finishing interpreter compiler, then starting Java. Java, how Java working, how Java compiler working, how interpreter is working, what is happening in Java. So Java topic. Tomorrow starting Java. Yes. So today is basics all are finishing here. Okay. Yes, tomorrow also still some more basics like interpreter compiler. After finishing interpreter compiler, then entering into actual Java concepts. Yeah, that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll be going for interpreter and compiler differences. Interpreter and compiler differences. Yeah, that's all for today. Yes, any doubts, guys? Still any doubts? Yes. Yeah, no issue. No problem. No issue. Okay. No issue. Yeah, definitely. Yes, sir. I will try to deliver maximum my skills. Okay. Highly expert. Yes. You can expect more and more from me. Yes, any level also you can expect, no doubts. My experience is more than industry here. I'll try to deliver maximum my skills here. Okay. Yes, you'll feel like a see. Finally, by finishing course, I'll make you feel like a I never saw this kind of trainer. That kind of feel you'll feel it. Okay, excellent, excellent communication, excellent delivery skills, and excellent subject and all this. Okay. No, I will add it today itself. Okay, I will add to WhatsApp group. No worry. Today night, I'll add it. Share your details. This is my WhatsApp number. Share all of your details. Share this. I'll add to WhatsApp. It's already added. Without payment also, I'll add to group. No worry. I'm not thinking about payment and all this. Take your own time. No hurry. I'm not a commercial. Take your own time. Okay, for the payment and all this, take your own time. It's not a problem. Okay, see the classes for 1 week. Then decide it. No worry. No hurry in payment. No problem. Okay. Yeah. So that's all for today. That's all. Yes. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Have a great night. Have a great night. Yeah, definitely. Yes, Mohammed. 100% I'll make it. 100% sure. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.